Here's one non-negotiable tactic that I use for myself and for other clients to maintain a healthy body composition. Yes, I eat fruit and fiber and protein, and I have my cookies. Not that I have to choose one or the other, it's that I'm gonna prioritize this because it makes me feel fuller and has more micronutrients. But this is just freaking tasty. The amount that I did have in here was 90 calories. One of these cookies is 70 calories. You see how it's easy to overeat on things like this and overconsume calories, which leads to excess body fat. That's why volume eating, I hate that term, is important to keep in mind, and good to keep your fun foods. Give it as the budget. I'm gonna prioritize my protein first because I want to build hella muscle while also prioritizing fiber. Then for my fun money later, for my fun foods, I'm gonna squeeze in some things if I can. No, you don't need to get rid of your fun foods.